Okay, we are back from the supermarket. So I just bought this steak, okay, for Obi and for the family. We all are going to eat this evening. This is our dinner. I buy this. This is polenta. It's already prepared, but I'm going to be warming them. Onions, toasted onions, then with a cucumber, okay, already cooked, but I'm going to be working on them. And broccoli. Then with this is bell pepper with some chips inside with another vegetable. Everything is ready. And this, so let's go and start working on them. Gradually we will be cooking, we will be cooking them. Okay, my pot is already heat. All right, let me just be putting them here because I'm going to be retoasting them. All right, to make my cooking easy, because I was doing a lot of things today, so I didn't have time to make the fresh vegetable from scratch. I was so busy. Okay, let us toast our onions and work on the onions. Okay. This is broccoli. I'm just warming all of them and to retoast them back again. This is how far we have gone for our plates.